Hey guys, Amy here with Hailbound Company and Sublimation and More. And in this quick video tutorial, I'm just showing you guys how to use and edit our new mock-up for our ribbon height ornaments. You can purchase this. This is listed on the website in addition to a template. I'm going to show you how to edit this so that you can use this for your digital marketing instead of having to press the design, take photos, and then share it on your social media platforms. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, over here you can see all the different layers. Now this is for Photoshop. We will not be able to help you with any other software such as Affinity. It may work, it may not, but we created it in Photoshop, so therefore we're only selling it for Photoshop. So over here you can see all the different layers. Right here is ornaments, and this is a folder, so this is where you're going to find all the different ornaments. Now if you don't like this black top, which is what I like to where I put my title of my images, you can turn that off. You can turn the text off by clicking on the eye. You can change the logo here just by right clicking and replace contents, and then you can search for your logo. All right. And then you can turn off this double-sided if you don't like that and remove it. This is the ribbon. We don't recommend that you mess with that. I just put a lock on it, but you can turn that on and off if you want, and that's for the front ribbon only to give it more of a realistic look. All right, we're going to leave that on. So down here is where we have the ornaments. As you can see, I have the eye on for the baby one-piece ornament, but if you turn that off and turn the eye on for the Bembrook, you'll see the Bembrook. Same thing for all the rest of them. All I'm doing is turning the eye on and off, so that will display which one you want it to show. All right. So these are really easy to edit. All you got to do is just double-click to edit the Smart Object. And then it brings this screen up. As you can see, we have some locks, and that's so you don't accidentally move them around, but you can unlock them if you want to. Right here is going to be where you're going to right click and you're going to replace your contents. Okay, so what I've done is given you a basic design for you to show in here. Now if you wanted to print this, you would have to do some modifications to this to make it fit the actual ornament, because this is a mock-up. So the resolution is lower than what it should be for your printing. All right. So here I have where I've already placed the baby one piece, and I'm going to show you. If you bought the if you bought the bundle pack, then you'll get both of the files, which is this one I'm showing you is for the mock-ups. The other one, which you'll see in another video, is for the actual templates. Okay, so we give you this basic template to work with, which is this pastel color with the poem and the names and all that. All right, but if you wanted just to start from scratch, you could place like any background. Like I'm going to place this on here, and as you can see, it changed it. You can add text just by clicking and adding text, and I'm just gonna, no, I don't have my characters up. I'm just gonna make this, let's say red. It's fine, okay. And just gonna say Elena. Okay, obviously too big, so we're just gonna put that right. So you can do whatever you want using this mock-up. If I close it to save changes, now you can see it's ready to go. All right, and then all you would do is just file, and you could save as a copy or save as. I just do save as, and you can save it as a JPEG or a PNG or whatever you want. And that is all there is to it on editing the mock-up. You would do this for all of them. But let me show you the other template real quick. So say you bought the bundle pack, okay? So I'm gonna open up the bundle pack right now. I'm gonna open up the template, which is the height ornament templates right here. And as you can see, there's no background to this. This is strictly for your printing. So these templates are different. This is in a resolution. Let me go to image size. As you can see, the resolution is a lot higher over here. This is for printing again. So we gave you this basic template. I've already got another video on how to use this, so I'm not going to show you that in this video. But I can tell you that if you if you turn off the write and you save this just as is, I'm going to say save as, and I'm going to save it as a JPEG, and I'm going to just name it test. Okay, image, and we can save it that way. Okay, and I think maybe saving it as a ping might be better, so I'm also going to save it as a ping just in case I mess that up. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go back to the other one. Now say we wanted to replace this, I'm going to double click to edit the smart object. I'm going to right click and replace this. And as you can see, here is the, where's my test right here? So we'll start with the JPEG and see if it works. All right, so with the JPEG, as you can see, I'm going to scroll out. We may have to edit this. So I'm just going to scoot it over. So it's that simple, and you may have to stretch it out a little bit to get it to fit on the mock-up. Remember, it's just a mock-up. It's to give your customers kind of a basic idea. So you'll just want to rearrange that to get it to fit in there perfectly. Okay. So the JPEG does work, and then that is it. So that's how easy it is to do that. Just to show you one more time, I'm going to go back to the other one, and we're going to right click, replace contents, and I'm going to go ahead and use this, okay, so that you can see it's clearly different. I'm going to say file print, file save as, I'm sorry, and I'm going to do it again as I could do it as a JPG, but I'm going to go ahead and do it as a ping this time so we can see. I'm going to do it as a test ping. All right. And now I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to go back into, that's the mock-up. Let's close that. Nope. So I'm going to double click again here on this, and then I'm going to right click and replace contents. And now I'm going to go to that test PNG, and as you can see, it kind of fits, but we might need to do some modifying, so that's where I'm just going to scoot it over. You can use your arrows on your keyboard, or you can stretch it and drag it out. But there you go. And then you just make it look as realistic as to what you think it'll actually print. That is how easy these mock-ups are. I'll close this. You always got to close and save changes on your smart object. And there you go. That easy. So the link to purchase the files is in the description of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and see you soon.